Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the MOJOCO Portable Clothes Dryer, and if you're dealing with limited space or travel often, this could be a super practical solution for your daily laundry needs. This compact dryer is designed for convenience. It's lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry, making it perfect for apartments, RVs, dorms, or even trips. You can set it up in minutes. Just plug it in, hang your clothes inside, and let it do the work. What really stands out is the fast drying performance. These mini dryers use efficient heat and airflow to dry clothes much faster than air drying, which is a huge advantage, especially during rainy days or when you need something ready quickly. It also comes with an adjustable timer, so you can control the drying time based on the type of clothes you're using. Whether it's shirts, socks, or lightweight fabrics, you get flexibility and control without overdrying. Another big plus is how quiet it is. You can run it in your room or office without disturbing your environment, which makes it perfect for small living spaces. From real user experiences, portable dryers like this are especially great for small loads and everyday essentials, though they work best with lighter items rather than heavy fabrics like thick towels or jeans. And when you're done, it folds down neatly, saving space and making storage incredibly easy. Overall, if you want a compact, easy-to-use, and travel-friendly dryer that gets the job done for small loads, the MOJOCO Portable Clothes Dryer is definitely worth considering. Click the link below for the best price.